Comparison between Remove.bg and Autodraw. Remove.bg is a utility tool for background removal in photos, while Autodraw is a creative sketching tool that uses AI to turn rough doodles into polished illustrations. Remove.bg is practical and business-oriented, whereas Autodraw is playful and creativity-focused. Now let's look at their features. When it comes to their primary functions, Remove.bg is for background removal from images, while Autodraw is for AI-assisted drawing too. When you look at output type, Remove.bg gives you transparent cutouts and custom backdrops, while Autodraw gives you polished sketches, icons, and illustrations. When it comes to ease of use, Remove.bg has a one-click automatic removal, while Autodraw just draw your rough doodle and the AI suggests refined version and you pick the one you want. When it comes to creative control, Remove.bg replaces background with solid colors or generated scenes. While Autodraw, you can choose from AI suggestions and customize the drawings. When it comes to community feature, Remove.bg is utility focused and has no social sharing, while Autodraw has a free web-based community that is accessible on any device. When it comes to price and model, Remove.bg has free basic plan and a paid plan for HD and bulk purchases and bulk processing. When it comes to Autodraw is completely free. And lastly, who or what are they best for? Remove.bg is best for e-commerce, product photos, and professional headshots, while Autodraw is best for artists, educators, and casual doodlers who want quick visuals. Then we're going to look at their limitations. Remove.bg is limited to background editing and last creative art generation, and the paid plans are required for HD or bulk processing. While Autodraw's limitation is that the outputs are simple sketches or icons, not professional grade artwork, so it is best for quick visuals, not detailed design. So if you need professional cutouts for businesses or design, go with Remove.bg. If you want to sketch ideas quickly and turn your doodles into clean visuals, Autodraw is the better choice. See you in the next one.